My name is Charles and we're here at Hyer Quality Detail, a certified CERAMICPRO auto spa where he's going to be coating half of my car in CERAMICPRO PPF and vinyl, which is specifically formulated for paint protection, film, and wrap. So keep watching and stay tuned because I'm going to see if this ceramic coating actually works as I'll be putting it through the ultimate torture test. So behind me, John is finishing up drying the car up. We just got done washing it because we're about to lay down our 50/50 CERAMICPRO coat. What do we mean by 50/50? Basically, we're gonna be doing one side uncoated and one side coated with this CERAMICPRO PPF vinyl and base coat. And what is CERAMICPRO? Well, I'm gonna leave it to Hyer to tell you what that's gonna, I almost had it. To tell you, we're gonna splice this. So what exactly is CERAMICPRO? Well, I'm going to leave it up to the expert Hyer to better tell you how to protect and maintain your vehicle's future.
Well, no, literally ever since I've been doing this, I've always wanted to 50/50 coat a car. It would be the perfect demo to just showcase exactly how much hell you can put this product through and how it holds up to the elements and driving hard and all the abuse that you can put it through. Essentially, yesterday this car got a decontamination wash. Even though the wrap is fresh, there's going to be a lot of human oils that are in it. He's driven on the road a little bit, so we just wanted to make sure that the car was completely free of any contamination. What we just did right now was a solvent wipe down. We used isopropyl alcohol, and again, that kind of just helps relieve anything that's on the surface or lightly in the pores of the vinyl, like oils and outside greases. Making it nice and clean, essentially. That way the coating can bond properly. So right now we are taping the car off to get ready to do this 50/50 coating experiment. We're gonna do an even line all down the car and only coat the driver's side of it. And once you put this car through all the tests, then everyone will be able to see just how much of a difference CERAMICPRO makes. Tell me how that looks. Pretty good? Yeah. Oh wow, it's actually not bad. I commend myself. This is a center right here, right? Probably be good to use this as the center. Tons of lasers and equations. Lots of math goes into this.
How do magnets work?
There's just not a way of knowing. Technology is just not that far advanced. Fucking magnets. How do they work? All right, so this is the CERAMICPRO PPF and vinyl base coat. This is gonna be our first step in a two-step coating process. What we're gonna do essentially with this product is it's gonna be your base level of protection. It's gonna fill all of the pores of the vinyl and start the foundation to create a new substrate that's protecting this vinyl. Yeah, this is really gonna look good tomorrow once we apply the top coat. The top coat is gonna bring out this pink pearl that's in the satin white here. Make it sparkle a lot. Bring out more depth of color. I am definitely very excited for this project. We've been doing CERAMICPRO for about four and a half years now. And I have wanted to 50/50 coat a car and send it through hell for the longest time. Just ever since I've been a part of it, it's been an idea in my mind, and so being able to bring that to life is going to be a real treat, and especially with the video skills that Charles provides, it's going to be a match made in heaven. All right, so this is the PPF and vinyl top coat. We just laid down the base coat. Tomorrow morning, we're gonna lay down the top coat. Essentially what this product does is it's gonna be like that top layer that makes it crazy smooth. It's gonna enhance the gloss more. It's gonna bring out this sparkle, bring out the depth, all right, and just kind of add an additional layer of protection, on top of this. So right now, the base coat, it's a little tacky. when you first lay it down, you know, it's not gonna be super smooth. Like if I put this towel right here, you know, it stays on this. Once we apply this top coat tomorrow and I lay this towel right here, it's just gonna fall right off. You know, it's not gonna stick. The surface is gonna be way too slick for it to actually stick. So that will be a fun thing to show you guys of just how much of a difference the top coat does make in the ease of cleaning.
Hyer's too lazy to talk to us right now.
Just
day 3.
Just priming the pad, priming the pad.
We're on day 3 of coating process. I'm really on time with this.
I'm like, the sickest shot is gonna be when we pull the tape line. It is gonna be so f***ing sick, man. All right, so we are about to apply CERAMICPRO Rain right now. This is gonna be CERAMICPRO's glass coating. You know, this works really great for automotive glass, but also works really great in your showers and lots of other glass features in homes, offices, things of that nature. Essentially what it's going to do is it's gonna be like Rain-X on steroids. All the water is just gonna bead right off the glass, and it's gonna make cleaning bugs and grime a lot easier to clean off. So this is CERAMICPRO 9H. This is gonna be our flagship chemical. We typically are applying it to paint, but it works on just about everything. So it's gonna be about 5 times stronger than your factory clear coat. We are going to apply it on all of the carbon fiber on this Mustang. You know, the PPF and vinyl product, it's formulated specifically for the PPF and vinyl. It's just not really going to bond or work as efficiently on a carbon fiber surface that has a clear coat. So this is gonna be our best product for keeping clear coat protected, as well as quite a few other surfaces like plastics, trim, metal, stuff like that. All right, so we're finally to the point where we're gonna pull this tape that's cutting Charles's car in half off. That way you guys can visually see the difference, you know, just with your own 2 eyes. And then once we start putting this through the ring of fire and all the tests that we're gonna do, you'll be able to see the difference in the performance of a non-coated versus a coated vehicle.
Guys, there is a clear difference, like you can see in the carbon lip. Just in the vinyl, it's so much deeper.
Yeah, I don't know, is that coming up in the light? It's really good from this angle over here. Like super see the difference in depth and color.
Oh yeah, you can see it. If you guys can see, there is a massive difference. As you can clearly see in the carbon logo, right down the middle, how deep the vinyl is now in contrast. So hard to tell them about like how we're gonna let it cure and all that fun stuff.
Yeah, so we're not gonna wash this car for 2 weeks. All right, this product, it works very similarly to paint. And so it's gonna be releasing solvents over the next couple weeks to achieve its maximum hardness and best performance potential. So the car, during that time, it can get as dirty as possible. You know, you can get hit by a dust storm. It doesn't matter. It's the form of abrasion. So we don't want to wipe this car down, and we don't want to wash it at all for the next 2 weeks.
Hyer just got done doing the 50-50. We peeled off the tape as you saw, but what I want to do is I want to show you the immediate difference that I can physically see. Right there, as you can see, there's the blend line, and you can already tell how deep the carbon is on this wrap. Like, it's an immediate difference, and you can already tell through our matte white that the pink shows up 10 times more than it does on the left side. And you can see also right here on the CERAMICPRO logo, you can see that line right down the middle. and it's only gonna get more intense as time goes on. If we go back here to the trunk, we did not correct the trunk because we didn't want to get too close to the vinyl, but you can already see this is real carbon. This is not a wrap. You can see that the CERAMICPRO already pulled off the oxidation just by applying 9H. And I don't have a CPL on, guys, so you can actually see the reflection on the side that is not coated. That wraps up our coating here at Hyer Quality Detail. And next we're gonna head over to Black Market Racing. We're gonna be installing our Voodoo 13 billet arms in the rear, MGW shifter, some Z1 goodies, as well as a motor oil change.